Here's how to fix WhatsApp status not showing. First of all, you need to try closing and reopening the WhatsApp application and log into your specific account. After that, you need to go ahead and see if the WhatsApp status are visible. So go ahead and click on the updates option from the bottom of the screen that is between chats and communities. Then after, go ahead and open the status of the person that you want to view and then go ahead and view it. If it's not showing up, you need to go ahead and open your phone settings. Go ahead, open your settings and scroll all the way down and go to apps. From here, simply search for WhatsApp application. Then after, tap on it and scroll down, then go to storage and click on clear cache. You can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. Come back to right before stopping this application and re-enable it again. Also go to permissions and make sure that you've given all the permissions to this app, and go to the battery section and make sure that it's set to optimize or unrestricted. Now open the WhatsApp application and see if the status is now showing up. Otherwise, you can open your Play Store and simply search for WhatsApp application. Tap on it, and if you see an update button, something like this, which is highlighted in blue color, go ahead and tap on it to update it to its latest version. Another thing you need to see is make sure that your Wi-Fi or any internet connection you're connected to is working properly, or you can try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it works. Otherwise, last but not least, if it's still not working, go ahead, tap and hold on to the WhatsApp application and then tap on uninstall in order to completely delete it from your device, and then open Play Store or App Store and then reinstall the WhatsApp Messenger application. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.